Hey, 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 happy Halloween, and it's what's cooking.
What is cooking? Good looking.
So I know Philip hates my hair right now, but that's okay. He just told me that right before
Did
we were
not
about
say
to
I
do
hate your
this.
hair. I loved it for your costume.
He's not jamming on it. Anyway, so there is that crazy thing going all over, I guess, TikTok that I don't really pay attention to or participate much in, and it is a smoked cream cheese on the Traeger grill. And Chef Billy Butter made it for us when we were at the Secret Knock. So I've made it once before, but I'm going to do two of them. We're going to our traditional Thanksgiving, our traditional Halloween with Hiba and Jeremy. So we're super excited about that. And I've got the cream cheese. You have to use your Cutco knife is what I'm going to be using. And I'm going to score this. Okay. I know it seems so interesting that you can put this on the Traeger grill at 250 for 2 to 3 hours and let it cook, and it will not melt. It's wild. Okay, so if you can see, it has lines on it. Now I'm just going to turn my little sheet around.
What's the purpose of the line?
I don't know. They just said to do it, so I'm abiding by what they told me. I'm not exactly sure. But notice when we took this over to Daryl and Sarah's, the little squares really kind of helped make it firm yet creamy in the inside. I don't know.
I don't need it.
Okay. So this one's going to be everything but the bagel, and you have to encrust the entire thing. So see, like even one of the little points came out of the corner there. I'll just stick that back on there. And then this one, we're going to do we're going to use Rick Hagan, our broker of records, famous rub, and we're going to encrust.
Which he thought that was very interesting. Chicken rub on the cream cheese.
Right?
But it worked.
It did work.
Everybody loved it.
It was super good.
Yeah.
And then we're going to use some, I'll get it out actually. I have fresh pomegranates from our tree that we're going to sprinkle over the top of the everything bagel one. And then on the Rick Hagan special rub, we're going to use the Trader Joe's hot sweet pepper jam. So it's going to go on the Traeger for 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours actually, at 250. I'm going to sit there and cook, and then once it's out, pomegranate seeds will go on one of them, and the jam will go on the other.
So just the seeds and that's it?
To cook with?
Will that break down and be juicy or?
No.
No, I didn't think so.
So,
Okay.
no, it stays creamy. It's wild.
Huh.
All right, so let's do the everything but the bagel one first. And I'm going to use this pan.
You have to do the both sides?
You have to do every side.
Okay.
So the
Oh,
edges,
so I see what you're doing.
see, look.
Yeah.
So the edges get it, the bottom.
Man, that became popular fast, didn't it?
What, this?
The everything but bagel stuff.
Yeah, that sure did. This is going to be
I
good.
mean, I can't remember. What did we first have it on? It was something from Trader Joe's that came with it on it.
The dip. Trader
Yeah,
Joe's
yeah.
makes an everything but the bagel dip.
And it's
gosh,
good.
you can make your own so
Yeah.
easy. Just get sour cream, cream cheese, and throw a big heaping thing of this in there.
And mix it up, yeah.
Yep. So get this nice and crusted. That's the key, is putting some kind of good crust on it. You could take brown sugar, a little sea salt, a little cinnamon, and whip that up and make that as your crust. You can make them sweet, you can make them savory. Anything your heart desires. And Chef Billy, when he did it, he put stone fruit around it, and he did some type of really neat berry puree. It was so good. Okay.
Yeah, that
So-
was good. That was the first time we had
See
something
how
like
this
that.
little, oh my gosh, it matches my outfit. It's the same exact color as this top. I'm a weirdo, I know. Okay, so let me wash my paws. Is everybody getting ready for Halloween? Trick or treat, we can't wait, we'll have fun. Okay, so that's the everything but the bagel. I think I'm gonna shake a little bit of this on just the top too. Just to,
Yeah, just to give it a little extra crust.
yeah. Alright. And then I'm gonna just get another piece of foil because I don't want the flavors to get combined. Just gonna conveniently lay that over the other one. Because you can make them side by side, even if you're doing separate flavors.
And you just stick that whole tray in
Yep.
the oven, or in the
On the
Traeger.
Traeger,
Yeah.
yep.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, so this is Rick Hagan's. He's our broker of record, and this has in it secret things I'm probably not supposed to tell you. And typically we use it on chicken wings, which, by the way, I am going to be making today to take up to Hib and Jeremy's. So I'm going to put a big coating on the foil. And this has a secret ingredient that I know what it is, but it has a little bit of a sugary base, but also a spicy. So we're going to start with the side. Going to flip it on all sides. Who would ever think that this would be like such an epic, yummy, delicious thing? So we're going to use keto crackers on ours today, but you can use it with bread. You could use it with...
Oh, it's really good spread on bread. Yeah, for sure. Because Chef Billy had a little bit of bread with his, and I definitely put some on it.
Okay, so we're getting a nice crust. That is the trick. The cream cheese with the crust. I don't know, if you don't have a Traeger, I bet you could...
Just low heat in a
Like
in
maybe
your oven.
like a low heat.
Like 250 in your own oven.
I don't know if 250 might be too high. I'm not sure. I mean, you guys could try it in an oven and see what happens. I mean,
Patrick Bailey is saying hi. Santana
hey
is saying
Patrick,
hi.
happy birthday to little Miss Presley. She's 3? Is she 3?
Unbelievable.
I can't believe
I know.
these kids are getting too old and I'm still 39. It's fascinating. Okay, so on this one again, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit more. Okay, so these are good to go. I don't know if you can see them, but you've got the everything but the bagel cream cheese, and then you've got the famous Rick Hagan seasoning. They will both go in on the same tray. They will not melt. It's totally cool. I'll make sure to post photos of that. And then I am going to prep. It's not my favorite thing to do. So I used to work in Buffalo at John and Mary's, and I used to be able to make real authentic buffalo chicken wings. And let me tell you, this is not the way a buffalo chicken wing comes. So they're already washed. I'm going to be washing all my stuff, but I need to cut them into real wings.
What do you do with that piece?
This piece, the Chicky Chews are going to get it. I know, cannibalistic. All right, so we're going to set these guys on this tray. Boy, did we have a fun Halloween party, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
Crazy. What else has been going on? If we're going to have me cutting these chicken wings, it's good. These are the best. Cutco scissors. They cut dimes, quarters, and pennies, although it's illegal to cut coins, but that's how strong they are. And they're a lifetime guarantee, and you can send them to be sharpened. And Eric Gilman, the sharpest guy in town, who works for Cutco,
He's an independent distributor for Cutco.
he got me these.
Yeah.
I love them.
Happy Halloween to everybody who's watching.
Yeah, Philip Fredrickson was a good joker, wasn't he? Holy moly. He scared me, and I did his makeup. Yeah, Escondido up on the hill at Emerald Heights, which is where Hib and Jeremy live, and I sold them that house hundreds of thousands of years ago. It has seemingly become a tradition that that's where we go because they get a ton of trick-or-treaters, and it's a gated community up on this hill, and you have to kind of get there early or else you can't even get through the gate. So, she's making chicken pozzola. How do you say that? Chicken pozzola?
Pozzoli? I think it's
Pozzoli?
Pozzoli.
We did have our Chicky Chews out today collecting escargot in the yard. They had a great little morning. I know it seems weird that I'm using scissors
Before
to
we took their wings.
Shut up! You're hilarious. And then last night we went to the Wrench and Rodent. We got to see Jessica and Chef David and Baby Michael. Baby Michael, what a great name.
Is that part of the name Baby, actually?
I think so. I think Jessica always, because there's a real Michael, and she named him after the real Michael.
Mm.
So, yeah. Oh my goodness. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay, so we're gonna leave these chicken wings. I had this trick, again, Rick Hagan taught me, and it's so cool. You sprinkle your chicken, whether it's thighs, legs, whatever, with the, only if it has a skin. You sprinkle baking soda.
Are you gonna make his kind, or are you gonna do buffalo wings? We've got a big bottle of Frank's in there.
Oh, do we?
Big bottle.
Huh.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Maybe you do one batch that way and one batch.
Oh, I could.
Yeah, I think we got 2 things of wings, or did you want to use those later this week?
No, these are both. These are both the packages.
Oh, geez.
Honey, if I'm making them, I'm prepping them all.
Okay.
Yeah. It's just too much work not to. Tomorrow we have photos taken at our new listing to come up, which is in Valley Center. It's super cool. We're not really allowed to talk about it yet because it's clear cooperation. But once we are, we can share more details with you. Hopefully go live at the end of the week. Okay. So, these little guys, everything's gonna get scrub-dub-dubbed, including me. What's everybody doing for Thanksgiving? We're just starting to figure that out.
You can't talk about Thanksgiving before
On Halloween, I know, but it seems
You
like
can
it's
start
gonna
talking
be,
about Thanksgiving tomorrow.
it's gonna be like right around the corner. It's
Zachary
crazy.
Robertson says, hi, Magda.
Hey Zach, how are you, my dear? Sending you my love as well. Okay. I guess if we're gonna do buffalo chicken wings as well as Rick's, huh?
I mean, according to you, there is no such thing as anything but buffalo wings.
True story, buddy.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna get them a little bit more separated.
I think that's amazing. You gave Kwong those orange tongs, and you don't even have
I
them.
know, I do not have.
I can't believe you didn't pick an extra pair up when we were down in Palm
Those
Springs.
things are cool, aren't
Yeah,
they?
They were pretty good. He sure liked them.
They're unique.
Yeah.
There are these tongs that when you put them together like this, there's a face. It's like a half a face, and they're cool. Yeah, I
The only
definitely.
downside is they have orange handles.
Ha! That's the best thing. So if I'm gonna do buffalo chicken wings, I need to melt butter, because it's 50-50 Frank's hot sauce with real butter.
Depending upon how hot
Yes.
you want them.
And then if I'm gonna do some of Rick Hagan's chicken wings.
Well, what do you think the group tonight will want? Will they like spicy?
Probably.
I don't know. Some of them do, some of them don't.
Alright, let's just do a little of the seasoning.
Oh, you might need more butter.
Oh, yeah, I probably do.
I don't know how much. I think there's those big bricks in here.
See, Philip is my good sous chef. He knows. He knows what we need. Hey, the sun's coming out, thank goodness. I hope it's sunny tomorrow for photography.
That's not butter. That's
Alright, let's put some more of this on.
You think this is enough?
Oh, yeah.
2? Okay.
It is. Woke up and cleaned the entire kitchen this morning. Harley got a bath. Swear to God, that dog gets more baths than a human.
One morning and one time got to sleep in and Harley wakes up yowling, wanting out at, oh God, 100.
She is
It
a
was
special.
dark still.
She is a special little broken bird.
Does she know? Neat cat.
I know. She's crazy. Crazy, crazy. I think it needs just a little bit more. Poor Rick, if he's watching, I know that this is
He's
expensive.
gonna go like, dear God, I'm gonna have to make her a gallon of it.
Okay, then this I think is just the wildest part.
Happy Halloween, Dad. Deb Wyant's watching.
Oh, hey, Dad. You looked cute for your trick-or-treat outfit.
Yeah, that was super cool.
I know I need to put this. So this 20 minutes before you cook, you're going to sprinkle baking soda on your chicken, and it makes the crust of the chicken skin crispier. Crustier or crispier?
Both.
I think the key is crispier. And then, gonna get a little pot. I am totally not prepped to do this. I'm just kind of winging this.
Well,
to the
because I
extent
threw that
that,
up, I thought
to
you were
the
planning
extent
on it.
that I don't even have ingredients set up. But it is definitely good to get it done. I think that should be okay. Get that going, get the Frank's hot sauce. Where is that? Do you think we have it?
Yeah,
Huh.
there was a big thing of it in there.
Oh. Huh.
Right in front, right in the very front.
Oh, yeah.
Huge bottle.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, this is the only stuff for buffalo chicken wings, the real deal. None of that teriyaki crap and
Well, no, those are good. They're just not buffalo
wings.
Yeah, they're not hot wings.
Okay, so these guys are ready, and then these guys would be getting ready. So I guess that's it,
Yeah,
right?
because it's no fun to sit there and watch them cook.
Well, I'm gonna actually just put them in the fridge so they kind of get the water out of them a little bit,
Okay.
so they get even more crispy. So everybody stay healthy, stay happy, have the best spooky
Halloween.
Yeah, spooky Halloween. And we're not getting dressed up, I don't think, today. Even though I'm still wearing my hair like this. Much to Philip Frederickson's dismay.
No,
But-
I don't care.
Yeah.
No, it's
My-
Halloween.
My friend Cree did my hair, and she's really, really good. She works at Cut down in Bankers Hill, and she does great makeup and hair. So if anybody's looking, and I also have my gal Tirza, who typically does my hair, but she's in San Francisco rocking and rolling with some big concert and Halloween thing. So anyway, take care, everybody.